Okay, the purpose of this video is to teach you how to use the edit menu to create buttons that you need for a specific purpose that are not already there. Okay, so the example that I'm going to use here is adding a pet. I hit pet and dog and cat are there. And if I had the full menu on, you're going to see in just a moment, there's also some other pet options. But let me show you how to add a lizard. We're going to go to menu. We're going to go to edit page. Okay. Now, like I said just a second ago, I only had dog and cat selected, but here's the list of pets that LAMP already has built in. And you can see pets are on the top and farm animals are on the bottom. All of these that are blank, you can actually input specific animals that you need, okay? Since I want to add my pet lizard, I am going to use the top 2 rows as my idea of where I can put the snake, okay? It looks like super common household pets are on top, and then not so common pets are over here. Okay, so I'm going to just choose to put my pet lizard over here next to these other 2 animals that have a tail. Okay, so I'm going to select here. I'm going to create a new button. The button is going to be of my lizard. And this is an option that is already built into LAMP. This is another option. Well, this lizard looks more like the lizard that I have at home. So I'm going to select that image. And it is from user symbol. Oh, just kidding. I am going to save. Okay. And so now here is my lizard. You know what? We also have a fish tank at home. So while I'm thinking about it, I'm going to go ahead and add my fish tank in. Create a new button. Fish. Okay. And here's my option of fish. Okay. This is very similar. So I might use that one. Okay, so my favorite one was this one here. Now, we have a rectangular big fish tank, but this will get my point across. It's the fish, the pet fish that we have, so I'm going to save it. This has already been assigned to another button. You may continue saving with this message, edit the button, or see where it is used. Well, I want to continue saving because I want it to be in this spot when we're talking about our pet fish. Okay, so there is going to be the same button somewhere else, but I want it to appear under pet because as I'm teaching my child how to use the buttons appropriately, I want to also use their logic in their brain as to how to get to that button. Okay. So if it's a pet fish, I want it to be under the pet menu. Does that make sense? Okay. So now I've added my pet lizard and I've added my pet fish, and so I am done. Well, they're not there. That's right. They're not there because we have to actually go into our menu, vocab builder, and then we have to select them. Lizard. And we also want our fish. Now look here. Fish has an arrow, which means we need to look and see which fish do we want. Now, under the pet category is where we just added the fish button, and that's the one that I want. If we had not added this fish button here and we just typed in fish, we would have gotten the going fishing kind of fish. Okay. So now I want to save my list And the list was called we're going to call it free play. Okay, all right, I'm going to hit done. And now both of my other pets are there. So when we're at the house and I'm telling my child, hey, it's time to go feed our pets. Which pet do you want to feed first?
Fish.
Okay, you want to feed the fish.
Yes. Fish, yes.
Okay, let's go feed the fish. Okay?